Did you know that Decentraland is a virtual world made entirely of pixels? It's like Second Life, but decentralized. You might have heard about CryptoKitties and other blockchain-based games, but did you know that there was one in development for years before anyone else? I'm going to tell you all about it. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the most interesting facts about this amazing new technology and how it will change the way we live our lives in a few years from now. So buckle up for a ride into the future with me as we explore what makes Decentraland so special. What is Decentraland? Decentraland is a crypto-powered virtual world where plots of land can be purchased that you can later traverse, build upon, and monetize. There's no limit to what you can do. It's the first digital platform that's completely owned by its users. It's not just about buying and selling land, but an immersive experience with games and social activities. Users can explore what Decentraland has to offer in its 3D interactive space, both with crypto and traditional currency. What does the Decentraland look like? Similar to games like Skyrim and Fallout, Decentraland is an all-immersive virtual universe. However, instead of playing on a two-dimensional screen, you participate in a three-dimensional world. It seems to be the logical next step before creating full-blown AI-based games in the physical space, as shown in Westworld. This crypto-powered virtual world is massive, but only a tiny part of it is on sale. Decentraland has almost 4 million parcels for users to buy and create their crypto projects. What can you do with Decentraland? Cryptocurrency miners purchase these lands to build crypto projects like mining equipment, GPU rigs, and ASICs farms, dApps, decentralized applications, servers, and nodes. Crypto mining pools like the official Decred pool. The team at Decentraland is working hard to expand what can be done in this crypto world. You can even run crypto companies like exchanges. How does Decentraland work? The Decentraland application is built to track real estate parcels defined by land tokens. The software leverages the Ethereum blockchain to track ownership of this digital land, and it requires users to hold its mana token within an Ethereum wallet to engage with its ecosystem. Further, developers are free to innovate within Decentraland's platform by designing the animation and interactions experienced on their virtual real estate. When it comes to money and ownership, two different types of tokens govern operations in Decentraland. For example, land, a non-fungible token or NFT that is used to define the ownership of land parcels representing digital real estate. And mana, a cryptocurrency that facilitates purchases of land as well as virtual goods and services used in Decentraland. Changes to Decentraland software are enacted through a collection of blockchain-based smart contracts, which allow participants who own mana to vote on policy updates, land auctions, and subsidies for new developments. Who owns the land in Decentraland? The land itself doesn't belong to anyone. Just like other cryptocurrencies, the ownership is decentralized. The land belongs to its crypto landowners and nobody else has rights over it. Land crypto owners have complete control over their land, including the right to transfer or sell the land parcel that they own. They are 100% free to develop crypto projects on their lands or even trade them with other crypto enthusiasts. Decentraland currently uses ERC20 tokens called mana, so you need an Ethereum-compatible wallet to start buying your crypto parcels today. Sign up for a free account at decentraland.org to view what's available now in Decentraland. The complete map of Decentraland will be released very soon. You can also follow them on Facebook, Twitter, or Reddit. What can you do in Decentraland? You can purchase land, build on it, and monetize with crypto. If you already own a crypto mining rig, you can increase your crypto holding by leasing out your power to others who want to mine crypto. You can even place bounties on activities within Decentraland that pay in crypto. You will also be able to host events or attend social gatherings on parcels of land that people have set up as event spaces. After purchasing a parcel of land through the Ethereum blockchain technology, owners can create desirability for their property by setting rules about what can happen there. And if you're feeling artistic, Decentraland has its very own virtual reality modeling tool known as Land Studio. What is Land Studio? Land Studio is an open-source 3D modeling tool that allows anyone to create vast and vibrant virtual worlds on Decentraland. This creative suite of tools can be used by crypto enthusiasts, gamers, and artists alike, regardless of their level of coding knowledge. With Land Studio, anybody can easily design objects, sculpt terrain, or paint landscapes for their social creations. What are land auctions? On Decentraland's Genesis Day, parcels of land will become available for crypto purchase. To ensure that all of the crypto enthusiasts get their fair share of territory, land parcels will be sold in an auction format, where the price goes up according to the number of bids placed on it. Every time a new bid is made, it resets everyone's timer and attaches the current price to the parcel, so each bid costs more than the previous one. Selling and buying crypto-based assets. You can buy crypto-based assets through Decentraland. If you already own crypto, why not list it for sale within Decentraland? Alternatively, if you're holding crypto and want to utilize its growth potential, then lease your crypto mining rigs output to others within Decentraland. Also, crypto-based games will allow you to play, wager, and earn crypto within Decentraland. There's a crypto sandbox where crypto projects can be launched from, so expect the list of crypto activities in Decentraland to grow over time. How is this a crypto game changer? Decentraland allows crypto users to become landowners and participate in a virtual world that they can monetize by hosting mining rigs or crypto bounties. They also have the opportunity to list their existing crypto assets for sale or lease in Decentraland. Decentraland is an online virtual reality universe where everything is decentralized, including land ownership, so there are no central authorities who control your assets. So the question about the boundaries of this new universe is not answered yet, and if it will ever be answered, you will get the answer here. Well, that's it for today's video. Do you want some more information about the history of Decentraland and where it came from? Then check out this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep watching more of such amazing and crazy stuff. Time to take your leave. Have a nice day, friends. Goodbye.